Hi guys, in this short video, I'm gonna be teaching you 3 simple things you could do with JavaScript. So let's dive right in. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna start with is letter counter. Okay, let's count equals to prompt input your text, and then the next one I'm going to do is going to be const out equals to count or split, and then we allot dot footer, and here we create an now function word equals right arrow equals word not equals double equals to, and then the quote, and you add the space in the quote, and after this bracket you add length. Alright guys, we are done here. Why don't you test this out? I'm gonna write a text which is going to be I am a boy. And you can see it's giving us 7. Why? Because the sentence I wrote actually had 7 letters. I am a boy. This is 7 letters. Why don't you write another sentence? I like the boy stole the fish. This is actually 18 letters. Alright guys, this is the first simple thing you could do with JavaScript. Okay guys, let's go to the next simple thing you can do. It is actually called a word counter. Okay, this one is quite simple. This is going to be let cent equals to prompt input your text, and this is also the last line. Allot cent dot string is the first one, then dot split with a space in the quote, and then dot length. Yeah, let's input he stole the fish. Actually, this is a 4-letter sentence. Okay, yeah, it's got it right. Let's try another sentence. I am a coder. This is also 4. No, let's try a 5-word sentence. Let's try the sentence. He stole the big fish. This is actually 5-word sentence. Yeah, we got it right. Then let's move on to the next and the last thing which I'm gonna be teaching you guys. Okay, you can just remove this. Then in this line we're gonna add let splitted equals to cent dot split, and in this one I'm gonna be teaching you how to count the occurrence of a specific word, and the word we're counting here, and the occurrence of the word we're counting here is and. So that's why I'm adding and in the quote. If you can also count other letters Okay, let's change on to boy. Then this will be a lot splitted. So you can simply okay, this is splitted dot length. So you can simply run this boy. This actually there are actually 3 boys in the sentence. You can see right now that I actually added one more a number to the number count of the boy in the sentence. So right here I want to add -1 to remove the last count it added. This is going to be boy. Alright guys, this is the end of the tutorial. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and like. Thank God. Bye. See you in my next tutorial.